Day 59 of Bible Bites. Moses continues preparing the people for life in the land with laws about justice, warfare, and unsolved crimes. We're in Deuteronomy 19-21, Psalm 59, and Proverbs 15:1-17. Let's see how God calls his people to justice and mercy. Quick prayer. God, thank you for being our refuge. Help us pursue justice and trust your protection. Amen. Reading, recap, Deuteronomy 19. 3 more cities of refuge are to be added once they cross the Jordan, total 6. They protect accidental killers from the avenger of blood. Intentional murderers receive no mercy. False witnesses are punished with the same penalty they tried to bring on the innocent. Life for life, eye for eye, tooth for tooth. Deuteronomy 20. Rules for warfare. When going to battle, the priest encourages them not to fear because God fights for them. They must offer peace to distant cities first. In the Promised Land cities, they must completely destroy them to avoid being taught their detestable practices. Exemptions from battle. Those who built a new house, planted a vineyard, or are engaged to be married. Deuteronomy 21. If someone is murdered and the killer is unknown, the elders of the nearest town must perform a ritual with a heifer to cleanse the land from bloodshed. Rules for marrying a captive woman and the rights of firstborn sons. Psalm 59. David's prayer when Saul's men surrounded his house. Deliver me from my enemies, O God. I will sing of your strength. You are my fortress, my refuge in times of trouble. Proverbs 15:1-17. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. The tongue of the wise adorns knowledge. Better a little with the fear of the Lord than great wealth with turmoil. Explanation. The cities of refuge show God's balance of justice and mercy. Warfare rules protect the innocent and keep Israel from adopting pagan practices. The unsolved murder ritual emphasizes that bloodshed pollutes the land. Psalm 59 is a cry for deliverance when surrounded by enemies. Proverbs 15 highlights the power of gentle words and the value of fearing the Lord over wealth. Real-life comparison. Cities of refuge equals Jesus as our safe place when guilt or consequences chase us. Gentle answer equals how our words can de-escalate conflict or make it worse. Psalm 59 equals trusting God as our fortress when life feels dangerous or overwhelming. Proverbs 15 equals the fear of the Lord brings true peace even with little, while chasing wealth brings turmoil. Today, when conflict arises, choose a gentle answer instead of harsh words. Run to God as your refuge in one area of fear or guilt. Choose contentment with what you have while fearing the Lord. What situation needs a gentle answer from you today? Comment. Day 59. God provides refuge, justice, and protection. Tomorrow, more laws for life in the land. Subscribe, share. See you tomorrow.